One of the things I love about Keep is the ability to use it in any of your Google applications. And Google kind of prioritized this by adding it to the taskbar over here. And so we've got tasks and we've got Keep and we've got calendar. And you can open those up right inside other documents. So here I've got a Google Doc and one of my students created. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this. The first way I'm going to show you is to just highlight the text in a note and copy it. And then I'm going to go and make a comment on the document and I can paste it right there. You did not use the proper tense here, and there I have it. I've made my comment. Another way I can do it is I can just take the text and bring it right in. So I'm going to show you this. I'm going to actually just copy, move down a couple here. And I'm going to actually take this and I'm going to, let's insert this, bring DVD into work. So all I do is click add to document and then it's in there. So this is what I was saying about using Keep as your note taking and then being able to put it in a docs. The last thing I will show you is being able to put stickers or images in. And this is something called doc stickers. And doc stickers are really, really cool. But all I have to do is drag this image into my document and I've got this sticker. And then I can come in and I can actually break the text or wrap the text and change how it is. And then I can just drag my sticker to the very top of the page. And now I've got a sticker at the top of the page and I can go ahead and I can resize it and do whatever I need. And it's all stored in Keep. I can keep all my stickers in there. I can keep it in a label that is just stickers. And then when I need them quickly, I can go add them to the page. So a couple of great ways to integrate Google Keep with other Google apps.